Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This amendment is an effort to have us not have slip away unconsciously the great service of a constitutionally required institution, that is the Postal Service. It says that we should take the standards that we had in place in terms of 90% overnight delivery for first-class mail and keep that in place as what we expect for the Postal Service. And I think the amendment, I used to be ranking member on Postal, so I know more than you ever want to know about the way our Postal Services function. We have the very best in the world, and I know a lot of times we laugh and joke about it, but it's critically important to our economy and to the citizens of our nation that they can depend on the Postal Service wherever they may live to be able to communicate through the mail. And so I offer this amendment in hopes that the committee would not just accept it, but, and I've enjoyed working with Chairman Crenshaw and Ranking Member Serrano, but that we also utilize this as an important moment, that if we're going to have a deterioration in this service, we should do it consciously, we should be accountable for it, and if we're not, if we're going to insist that we remain at the place that we were in terms of making sure that the people we represent have a quality mail service, then we should vote about it. And so that's why I offer this amendment, and I thank the chairman for yielding me time.